In this module, we will review the installation process for the Passportal Agent, agent types, and the synchronization process. The Passportal Agent is installed on the domain controller and allows the ability to sync and manage your Active Directory credentials within Passportal. The Passportal Agent is available for both Microsoft Windows Active Directory and Microsoft Entra ID. The synchronization and available functionality vary for each Active Directory AD type. Windows AD synchronization is a two-way process between AD and Passportal and provides automatic password rotation functionality. The Entra ID synchronization is a one-way process from Passportal to Entra ID and does not provide automatic password rotation for Entra ID passwords. The Passportal Active Directory AD agent can be installed in three ways. Single DC environment, when the client has only one domain controller. Multi-DC environment, when the client has multiple domain controllers. And Microsoft Entra ID or Microsoft 365 environment is used when the client does not have any domain controllers and is specifically looking to use Blink.